Alright, so hello guys and welcome to another video on market commentary for Dow and US30. Oh, my apologies, I just recently added Dow, and ever since I've been having a nice feedback from price and it has been good. So my apologies, is a market commentary video on Gold and US30. So US30 has been providing a nice feedback on price. Just so you know, I recently added US30 to the list of asset class I do trade, unlike before, which is gold alone. I only trade gold, but I just added US30 to the shitty price action on gold recently. So I've been getting nice feedback from US30 and it's honestly been great. I've made over 15% just trading Dow in the past 2 weeks, which is actually awesome. And to read price, unlike what we have going on gold right now. For the past 2 weeks, I've been trying to look for long on gold. After we have this liquidity sweep below this low, and then prices keep going back and forth, and honestly I'm not really seeing a short here long time, so I keep sticking to the longs, and then I get proven wrong by price, which is actually okay because it happens a lot sometimes. Personally, I took over 3 to 5% loss trading gold, I think, during last month because I've been looking for long. And the good thing is I kind of limit the trade number of trade I take on gold because of the current shitty price action. Just so you know, I close the month with a close to 10% gain. Okay, I will be leaving the my monthly ROI on the screen, so as you can see. And mostly the trade I take is from Dow. The wins are actually from Dow. Most of the times when price is going back and forth, like what we got going on for gold, I just avoid it because this is the time where I used to have my ass handed to me by price, and honestly there is no point of taking trade if price action is not just providing what you're looking for. And if you notice, that's the time where you are most likely going to fuck things up, and you wouldn't want that. Going into this week, my anticipation on gold is bullish actually. Okay, we had a sweeper low on, let's take a look at the daily candle. Okay, I was liquidity sweep right below this low and then a bullish feedback, so and I'm anticipating a continuation to most likely this and this. One thing you have to keep in mind, guys, is the current market behavior. So we might not just have price reaching out for this PDR, this buy side liquidity, because of the current price action, which is totally fine. So what I would like to do if I'm taking trade during a low probability market condition, what I usually do is I narrow down my risks to mostly 0.5% or even 0.25% depending on the trade setup, because when probabilities are low, say that you move to the sidelines and do nothing, some of the high probability trades you go in with a little and no risks. So that's it for this week. And for this week, I have a discount fair value gap. I will be looking to go in longs here, swing and target this buy side liquidity. Stop will be below the fair value gap, and let's see how this will deliver. My focus right now is on Dow. Okay, I've been getting a nice feedback from price, and once you can read what price is doing, it's actually good. So for Dow this week, we are currently trading in an all-time high. So most of the times, even with the bullish order flow, most of the times we have expansion and retracement. So I will be following the flow of price this week. So make sure you join the Telegram community. The link is going to be in the description. I'll be following the flow of the market. That's the expansion and then the retracement. So make sure you join the Telegram to know exactly when we will be anticipating a retracement and also an expansion. But keep in mind that our overall trajectory in price is bullish, order flow is bullish, so we'll be long in price. And also, even though we are kind of in a consolidation profile, not much of an expansion on Dow, but the feedback has been really awesome, guys. Okay, so like I said before, I will be sharing a lot more details on the Telegram community going into this week. But our order flow and overall trajectory on price is bullish. And personally, we'll be looking for more information on price before um to give what the next play on price will be. Okay, so let me break down this trade quickly. Expansion, okay, and then order flow bullish, and then you have an expansion, okay, and then 1 2 3. This is sell side, looks very clean. So just so you know, the kind of model I use for your strategy right now is turtle soup. I wait for price to sweep out a low. That's if I'm looking for to go long, and then look for price to trade into the opposite direction. So that's what I've been doing. And so right now, for this trade setup, we have these two lows, okay, swing low. These are sell side liquidity resting below this low. So immediately when you have this sweep below the low, I kind of went in long because we have a strong rejection in price. My apologies. We have a strong rejection in price on the lower time frame. So that's exactly feedback I need. Then 6R right there. So make sure you join the Telegram community, guys. That will be all for this, and hopefully let's see how the weeks will be, and talk to you soon. God bless.